This is a really nice little shampoo if you have a dog with medical problems resulting in recurrent issues with soiled carpet. People was impressed with the cleaning ability of it, the suction, and the cleaning solution that comes in the package. Many people that having owned Kirby, Rug Doctor, Hoover, Electrolux, and other brands said that none of them cleaned better than this small unit. That having been said, people also used the solution at half or less than the recommended ratio to help avoid the dreaded hard carpet and super soiled spots from soap being left in the carpet. The unit is very easy to clean after use. If the dirty water compartment was less tight, there would be leaking problems. The plastic is sturdy enough for intended use unless you intentionally want to use them for a basketball or target practice. Many people said they have avoided Bissell products until now due to continual bad reviews, but they said they pleased so far about this unit. Nice for the price. It works really well for small areas that must be cleaned. With this unit, you can feather in the cleaning over a wider area. The unit really did a nice job of cleaning the areas of the rug that was either stained or just dirty from foot traffic. A customer also said that she had cleaned a huge 7-piece sofa with just the soap provided. Amazing results. Sofa was stained with urine, vomit, and anything else a 2-year-old could put on it. Brand new and smells great. Machine is super easy to use and clean.